Have you ever flipped a switch and watched a room light up? That's Michael Faraday's legacy in action, the father of electricity. Faraday's story is remarkable because he started not as a scientist, but as a poor, curious boy in candlelit England. With little formal education, he became a bookbinder's apprentice at 14. Surrounded by books he eagerly read, especially about science. Instead of just reading, Faraday experimented in the back of the shop, building simple batteries from bottles and wire. He taught himself the scientific method: ask, hypothesize, experiment. His curiosity turned the bookshop into his first laboratory. Faraday's journey proves that science is for anyone who dares to ask why and seeks the answer. He wasn't just learning about science, he was living it. This relentless curiosity would soon change the world. Faraday's life changed with a single ticket. A customer gave him entry to lectures by Sir Humphry Davy at the Royal Institution. Faraday took meticulous notes, then bound them into a beautiful book and sent it to Davy, asking for a chance to work in science. At first, nothing happened. But when Davy injured his eyesight, he remembered Faraday's dedication and called on him for help. Soon after, Faraday was offered a job as a laboratory assistant. His duties were humble: cleaning, preparing equipment, but he saw it as the opportunity of a lifetime. Faraday watched every experiment, learned from Davy, and absorbed knowledge like a sponge. He was no longer just reading about science, he was now at the heart of discovery. Faraday's persistence and passion had opened the door to a new world. From bookbinder's apprentice to scientist, his journey had truly begun. Sometimes, all it takes is one bold step to change your destiny. At the Royal Institution, Faraday became a master chemist under Davy's guidance. In 1823, he challenged the idea that gases couldn't be liquefied. By cooling and pressurizing chlorine, he turned it into a liquid, proving states of matter could change. Just 2 years later, Faraday analyzed a waste product from London's gas lights and discovered benzene, a compound now vital to plastics, dyes, and medicines. Faraday's knack for careful experiments and his curiosity led to breakthroughs others overlooked. He saw value where others saw waste, revealing hidden treasures in the ordinary. His discoveries in chemistry laid the groundwork for modern industry. Faraday's story reminds us sometimes the most important discoveries come from asking questions no one else thinks to ask. He turned trash into treasure, and curiosity into world-changing science. Faraday's early work proved that even the smallest questions can lead to the biggest answers. The world would never look at matter the same way again. Faraday's next challenge: the mysterious link between electricity and magnetism. Inspired by Ørsted's discovery, Faraday built the first electric motor in 1821, a spinning wire powered by electricity. This simple device proved electricity could create motion, laying the foundation for every electric motor today. But Faraday wanted to know, could magnetism create electricity? After years of experiments, he discovered electromagnetic induction in 1831. Moving a magnet near a coil generated electricity. He quickly built the first electric generator, converting motion into electrical power. Faraday's work unlocked the secrets of energy conversion, making modern technology possible. Motors and generators, two sides of the same coin, both born from Faraday's relentless curiosity. His discoveries powered the machines that would transform the world. Faraday had revealed a new force, forever changing how we live. Faraday's discoveries sparked a technological revolution. His generator principle, turning motion into electricity, is the heart of every power plant, from coal to wind to nuclear. Transformers based on his induction ring make it possible to send electricity safely from power stations to our homes. Electric motors, inspired by his spinning wire, power everything from fans to cars. Faraday's work forms a complete circle: motion becomes electricity, electricity becomes motion. Without his insights, our modern world, full of lights, appliances, and industry, wouldn't exist. Every time you use electricity, you're using Faraday's ideas. He didn't just invent devices, he built the foundation for our entire technological society. Faraday's genius turned invisible forces into everyday power. His legacy is all around us, lighting up our lives. Faraday wasn't just a discoverer, he was a passionate teacher. He believed science was for everyone, not just scientists. Faraday's lectures at the Royal Institution, especially his Christmas lectures for children, made science exciting and accessible. He used dramatic experiments to ignite curiosity in audiences of all ages. Faraday's own life proved that background doesn't limit potential, curiosity and persistence do. From humble beginnings, he became one of history's greatest scientists. His story inspires anyone who feels like an outsider. A curious mind can change the world. Every time you flip a switch, remember Faraday, the man who turned questions into power. His spark of wonder still lights the way for future explorers.